Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla headlight. First, park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine completely. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to replace. It's crucial to ensure the engine is cool to the touch before proceeding. Gather your new headlight bulb and the necessary tools, typically a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead. Next, you'll need to access the bulb. Depending on your Corolla model, you might need to remove a few bolts or clips holding the headlight assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once loose, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches. This provides enough room to reach the back of the bulb and its electrical connector. Now it's time to replace the bulb itself. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting position. Reinstall all the bolts or clips you removed earlier, tightening them snugly but not overly so. Once everything is secure, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.